My dear students, good morning to you. As in every video, I always mention that a complete English grammar series is reaching to you to strengthen you in your language skill, to become a public speaker, or to speak with great sense of confidence. And you need to be an extrovert with your language. Definitely these attributes can be acquired if you are very perfect in each and every part of the grammar. You can be a very confident speaker. Therefore, I firmly believe that to become a good speaker of the language or to become a good writer of the language, grammar of that language is must, and must. Therefore, I picked up to release the videos on the English grammar series. So they are running up and you are definitely taking the advantage of it, I'm sure. तो आपको एक पब्लिक स्पीकर बनना है, एक अच्छा फ्रीक्वेंट कन्वर्सेशनलिस्ट बनना है, तो किसी भी भाषा में आप फ्लुएंटली बोलना चाहते हैं तो मेरा ऐसा मानना है और मेरा पूरा विश्वास है उस भाषा की ग्रामर के ऊपर आपका पूरा कंट्रोल होना चाहिए. Therefore, English grammar to make you a good speaker and a good conversationalist and a good writer as well. That means you can write on any subject, only you have to imagine and you must have the feedback of the subject. तो आपको अच्छी ग्रामर आती है, आप एक अच्छे कन्वर्सेशनलिस्ट बन जाएंगे, राइटर बन जाएंगे. कोई भी सब्जेक्ट आएगा, आपके पास सब्जेक्ट की नॉलेज है, आपके पास ग्रामर की नॉलेज है, आप बहुत अच्छा लिख सकते हैं. तो इस ग्रामर सीरीज में हम पहुंचते टुडे माय active passive voice series are on. So we have reached to lesson number 9 of the active passive voice or change the voice, that is past continuous. Naturally, in the tenses, the past continuous tense is clear to you, but while teaching you the active passive voice, once again I define you past continuous tense. So what is the definition? Past continuous tense is used to express an action that was going on at a certain time in the past. So since it is past, was verb, and it is continuous, fourth form of the verb, that is first form plus ing, that will be the formula for active voice. That means in the active voice you will use the tense formula. In the passive voice you will use verb being plus third form plus by plus object. Being because continuous, verb, past, by plus object, agent. So in this way, you frame up passive voice from active voice or active voice from passive voice of the past continuous tense. As usual, I always say that you have to make the tenses and active passive voice of the four kinds of sentences. Affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, and interrogative negative sentences. So I have written here all these rules. In the active voice, the tense formula. In the passive voice, you will apply the agent formula where the subject and object are to be interchanged. जो एक्टिव वॉइस का सब्जेक्ट है वो पैसिव वॉइस में ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाता है और जो एक्टिव वॉइस का ऑब्जेक्ट है वो पैसिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट बन जाता है. रेस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल. So this way you can transform the active into passive and the passive into active of the past continuous tense. Now I prove my point with few examples, and rest of the examples and rules are annexed in my handout that you will discover as soon as the video gets over. Right? So not to wait, you have every description after the video. So here I make an example. Mohan is plucking. Mohan was plucking flowers. Mohan is the subject. Was past verb or helping verb. Plucking principal verb and flowers object. Now object is to be replaced into subject in the passive voice and subject is to be replaced into the passive in place of the object in the passive form. Flowers object है, यहाँ के subject हो गया passive voice में. Flowers were because ये plural है, were आएगा. Mohan singular है, was आएगा. Flowers were being as per the rule of the passive voice of the past continuous. Flowers were being, third form always in the passive voice. Plucked by agent. जो हमारे एक्टिव वॉइस का सब्जेक्ट है वो पैसिव वॉइस में ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा. Mohan. So in this way, this is your active voice and this is your passive voice. So the transformation of active into passive or passive into active of the past continuous. I give you one interrogative sentence. Were you making a building of sand? Why are you making a building of sand? Now a building of sand is the full object. Now it will be changed into subject in the passive voice. A building of sand was being made by you. Sign up interrogation. So this is the interrogative. So I have quoted two examples. You can understand them according to these rules. Then rest of the rules are in the annexed handout. So if you will analyze them critically, this chapter will also get clear to you crystallically. So it is crystal clear chapter. So this is lesson 9 of the active passive voice, past continuous. I concluded here. Thank you very much. Now wait for my next video for the past perfect tense active passive voice. I'm HK Bhatta on the YouTube. Watch my channel. Please subscribe it, like it, and share it to as many students or to as many number of people as you can. So like our Learn English Gamer for their career success and professional success. That's it, my dear children. Thank you very much.